Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can buy an NFT domain using a credit card from unstoppabledomains.com. So you'll need to visit this site, unstoppabledomains.com. Here you have the search for your new domain, and let me just search for a domain name. Son of a gun, let me just search it. Okay, so this domain is currently available for .coin, .bitcoin, .AAA, .nft, .dao. So let me just son of a gun .nft, let me just add it to cart. And by the way, you'll need to log in and sign up before you can continue to cart. Okay, so I have total due is $20. Do you live in the USA? No, I do not. So I click on checkout, and you have this option of pay by credit card. So let me just complete this transaction here. Alright, so the order is complete, and it says thank you for your order. You've mailed your receipt to this email address, and now we need to go to this link, go to my domains. Okay, so I currently have two domains. This one is already minted. That means it has already been put on my blockchain, and this is not minted, so I can mint it for free. I'll click here, free mint. It says mint domain on Polygon. Minting and managing domains on Polygon is free. Alright, so I'll say continue. So here you'll need to choose your wallet. I already have this wallet which is connected to my MetaMask. So the MetaMask extension is already installed. So I go to domain to be minted, son of a gun.nft. I understand. This domain owner will be assigned to the following wallet address. So this is the wallet address of my MetaMask. So let me just show you that also. Okay, so this is the same address, ACD. So this is ACD, so I'll confirm it. Send verification code. Okay, let me just put in the verification code. Alright, 2MR. Alright, minting process has started. Your domains are now being deployed into the blockchain and your crypto wallet. This transaction is being executed on the Polygon network. When the transaction is complete, your domains will show on the blockchain. So if I track the progress, it is still pending. Alright, but here it shows me two unstoppable domains. So what I'm gonna do here is, and I'll go to explorer.matic.network. It'll take me to Polygon scan. Okay, let me just copy this address. And it shows me what all tokens do I have. So I have one unstoppable domain here, one Terra Virtua NFT, and a few other tokens, ERC20 tokens. By the way, NFTs are ERC721 tokens. Mint of unstoppable domain to this. This is my email address. This is my Ethereum address, Matic address, and the token is transferred from this to my Matic address. Okay, So minting is completed for both the domains. This was purchased on 9th and this is purchased today. So it says that my Ethereum address has 2 unstoppable domains. This one is minted 4 minutes ago. Alright, so the minting is complete. I have 2 transactions here. This is completed. So if I go to sonofagun.nft, I have the option to manage it. I can create a website for this. The easiest option is to launch a website in minutes, create a website using templates. Let me just click on. This is how simple it is to buy an NFT domain using a credit card from Unstoppable Domain. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you around. Take care. Bye bye.